If you see a change water filter displayed when you open your KLIX door, your water filter has probably expired. To remove the expired filter, turn anti-clockwise to unscrew. Write the current date on your new filter, and remove the end cap. Slide the new filter up the guide rail, and rotate clockwise until it locks into place. Using the cold water flush switch located on the chiller, you must run off at least 1 bucket of water to remove any carbon deposits from the new filter. Press and hold the switch in burst of 30 to 45 seconds. If you hold the switch for too long, it will time out. Simply release the switch and press again. On older models of KLIX, you may need to close the machine door, then reopen, before the switch will work again. Once the bucket is full, empty and clean it, then refit it in machine. Finally, press the reset button on the screen to reset the alert. Thank you.